I'm Blaze the cat. We will learn about reproduction. Here, reproduction is the biological process by which new individual organisms, offspring, are produced from their parents. Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all known life. Each individual organism exists as the result of reproduction. There are two forms of reproduction, asexual and sexual. In asexual reproduction, a process by which organisms create genetically similar or identical copies of themselves without the contribution of genetic material from another organism. On the other hand, sexual reproduction is a biological process that creates a new organism by combining the genetic material of two organisms in a process that starts with meiosis, a specialized type of cell division. Now, organisms that reproduce through asexual reproduction tend to grow in number exponentially. But the large amount of variation in their genes makes them less susceptible to disease. Let's check out the diagram of the sexual reproduction. These two organisms include male and female. If each organism were to contribute to the same number of offspring, its population will remain the same for each generation, where the asexual population doubles in size each generation. Another way is to divide each organism into two parts, then divide it into four parts, and so on, which is also asexual population doubles in size each generation. For example, in case of sexual reproduction in plants, involves the production of male and female gametes, the transfer of the male gametes to the female ovules in a process called pollination. After pollination occurs, fertilization happens and the ovules grow into seeds within a fruit. On the other hand, asexual reproduction in plants produces individuals that are genetically identical to the parent plant. Roots such as corms, stem tubers, rhizomes, and stolon undergo vegetative reproduction. That's how the reproduction works. In the next part, we'll tell you about the reproduction in animals. Like, comment, and subscribe now.